Okay, before we even start training, there's a few words that are really important that you learn and understand. We're going to talk about preparing your dog, bridging your dog, and finishing your dog. To prepare your dog, use a word that will get excited, engaged, and that it understands something fun's about to happen. I use the word ready. You can use whatever word you like. The second part is really important, which is the bridging, and this is a word or a sound that you can use that helps the dog join the dots. It learns that what it performed was correct and appropriate. And the way it learns that is that you follow it through with a treat. So if it did something right, here's the bridge and it gets a treat. I use a clicker with all the video clips. You don't have to use a clicker. If you like, you can actually use a word. So it either can be like that, or you can go, yes. And the dog understands it's a special word and it means it got it right. At the end of your training, it's important that your dog understands that it's finished. So what we like to do is tell the dog with very open hands and empty hands, finish. And that way the dog understands the training is over and it can go off and do what it needs to do again. So I'm going to demonstrate now how the bridging with the timing works, how your ready word works, and how your finished cue works. So I'm going to use look with Moose because he knows this. Are you ready? Look. Treat. So what I've done, I've prepared him. I've clicked as soon as he gave me eye contact. I rewarded him as soon as he did that, so he knows he was right. Again, look. And treat. And if I'm going to use the word, this is what it looks like. Look. Yes. And treat. So again, look. Yes. And treat. And then once you're done with that, Moose, finish, and that tells the dog, job's done. Okay, let's move on.